Hi everyone, I'm Tatiana, product marketer at Levain. We're thrilled to have you onboarded as our customer, and we hope this video will help you get comfortable with using Levain. Before we get started, I have with me Joel, our product manager at Levain.
Hi everyone. Levain is a powerful platform that enables institutions to manage their digital assets, get access to DeFi, and monitor their investments. If you are part of an institution that is looking to get involved in DeFi, then Levain is your perfect partner. The Levain platform comes with 4 modules. The first module is the self-custody wallet. This wallet provides institutions with secure multi-signature technology for their digital assets. The self-custody wallet gives institutions full ownership of their private keys. That means that they have full control of the funds at all times. The second module is the policy engine. This engine allows institutions to define their own rules to meet their needs. The third module is DeFi access. These modules allow institutions to participate on a wide range of DeFi protocols and earn a high yield on their digital assets. The fourth and final module is the portfolio monitoring. This module allows institutions to track their investment across multiple wallets and track all the transactions with ease.
Thanks, Joel. So before any customer gets started with Levain, what do they need to prepare?
There is nothing specific that they need to prepare. If you are part of an institution and you are looking to get into DeFi, then reach out to our sales team and you can find the URL on the description of the video.
Okay, so let's dive into the first process, onboarding. If you have already spoken to our sales team, you would have received an invitation link via email. To complete the setup of your enterprise account, you will need to do these 2 things. Number 1, completing your personal details, and number 2, setting up your 2FA. Let's dive in.
To start, you will need to set up your enterprise account. In your inbox, you will receive the invitation. When you accept the invite, you will see the invitation code, and you will need to complete your personal details. In this case, first name, last name, a secure password. To start, you will need to set up the 2-factor authentication. For that process, you will need a second device. Take your device, scan the QR code, and input the 2-factor authentication code. Once the process is done, you will need to confirm your email. So go again to your inbox, verify account, and now you're ready to start.
Thanks, Joel. So now that the enterprise account has been set up, how should users think about the next step? Should they be inviting users or should they be setting up their wallets?
There is not a particular workflow that you need to follow. That will depend on the size of the organization and how you want to manage your funds. Ideally, you should start by inviting your colleagues, and then you can start to create your wallets and move your funds to Levain.
Okay, so let's do that. Let's invite users first.
Sure, let me add you in. So you need to go to the user management module and here click invite user. Here you will see there are 4 types of users that you can invite to your organization. So in this case, I'm going to invite Tatiana as an admin user. So now you should have received your email. Now that Tatiana set up her account, I can see her on the user management module. As a next step, I'm going to create a wallet and I will invite you to my wallet so we can do a transaction. To create wallets, you need to go to the wallet module, click add wallet, and choose your blockchain. In this case, I'm using a testnet, but you will use mainnet. The next step is to input your wallet name. In this case, I'm going to use demo, but you should use a name that is more related to the main purpose of the wallet. On the next step, you need to input the wallet password. This is a very important password because we'll encrypt your private key. We have a guide that you can find on the video description on how to choose your password and secure the password itself. In this case, I'm going to input my password and my wallet is ready to be created. Once the wallet is created, you are going to download a PDF. On this PDF, you will find your private key, your backup private key, and the public key, as well as your encrypted wallet password. Please keep this key card safe. You can also find a specific guide on how to manage and keep the keycard safe, because in the event that you need to recover your wallets, you will need to use this information. Now, in order to activate the wallet, we need to input the activation code that is at the top. And then your wallet is going to be ready to be used. It's going to take some time for the wallet to be activated. We need to wait for 6 blocks on the blockchain to be confirmed. So be patient.
Thanks, Joel. Looks easy. So what would you recommend to be the next step?
As a next step, you can set up the policy rules for your wallet, or you can invite users to your wallet. In this case, I'm going to add you as a user to my wallet, and then we're going to define some policies to make our wallet more safe.
Okay.
So you go to the wallet, you go to the tab users, and in this case, I'm going to invite you. Here, I will need to select your name, and now I need to select the role for you for this particular wallet. So we have 3 types of roles: wallet initiator, that can only initiate transactions; approver, that are the users that can initiate and approve transactions; and wallet viewer, for those users that you want them to audit all your operations. In this case, I'm going to invite you as a wallet initiator so you can initiate the transaction.
Okay.
As a next step, we are going to go to the policy module under the wallet, where we can find different policy engines. The first one is the approve as threshold. This will allow you to define how many people need to approve a transaction before the transaction can be signed. In this case, it's 1-on-1, meaning that only one person needs to approve a transaction in this wallet. But in the case that I add more users, I can increment this number, and that will increase the security for this particular wallet. The second option is the final approver. Who is going to be that user that will sign every transaction after the transaction is approved for all users? The third one is whitelisted addresses. Here you can whitelist addresses to make sure that nobody sends files to the wrong address. So now that you're part of the wallet, why don't we do a transaction and we do a swap on PancakeSwap using DeFi Access?
Okay. So the first thing we'll do is to go to Wallet Connect, right? And then I will open within the same window, PancakeSwap, and I will click Connect Wallet here. Then I will click this little more icon and look for Wallet Connect here. So I will click on that and I will click Copy to Clipboard. Next, I'll go back to my Levain screen and I will paste the Wallet Connect address here and click Connect Wallet. Then there will be a confirmation pop up, and all you need to do is just click Connect. And there we go. We have connected our wallet. So to make a transaction, I will go back to PancakeSwap here. And in this case, I want to swap some ETH to DAI, and I will put in, let's say, 1 DAI here. And then I will click Swap. And I will confirm the swap. And then now I'm just waiting for my confirmation. I'll go back to the Levain app. And here I'll need my mobile phone to complete the 2FA. So I'll put in the 6-digit code here. And I'll click Verify Code. And it's loading. It'll take some time. And here we go. So now that I've initiated the transaction, I'll need Joel, my wallet approver, to approve it.
Sure. So on the wallet section, you can go to the transaction request, and here I can see a transaction that needs my attention. So I can go into the transaction, I can see the details of the transactions, I can see who initiated the transaction, who approved the transaction, and then me as a signer, I can decide if I reject this transaction or if I approve it. In this case, let's sign this transaction. To sign the transaction, I will input my 2FA again. And after that, I will need to input my wallet password. Now that the transaction is approved, we can go to the portfolio section to monitor the assets. So here on the portfolio section, we can see a breakdown of the assets and allocations, and we can also see the detail and prices of those particular assets. You can also get access to the wallets for you to monitor in detail assets under every wallet.
Thanks, Joel. That was really insightful. We hope that this video has given you a good understanding of how to set up on Levain and how to use it.
Before wrapping up this session, let me highlight that we are working with multiple institutions on taking Levain to the next level. So if you have any feedback about the product, documentation, and even about this session, please contact us on our support channels that we have a team waiting for you.